It's letting up. Trying to wait out the rain so I can go biking. Well, at least it stopped raining, but it's still foggy. Makes for a cool biking scene. Don't know how far I'll go, but glad I got these fenders on. Would get sprayed with water. Too lazy to go look for any. Cruising along. What do we have there? We got a deer. We got a deer on the road, and now he's really looking at me. Oh, I think it's a buck. Oh, it's a massive buck. It's a massive buck. I mean, that thing is massive. Oh my goodness. Do y'all see that? Dude. He's massive. I'm gonna try and get closer. What I call massive buck. He's gone in the woods. He's gonna be gone. That is why I do this. He's gone. I think I'm going to turn around and head back soon. My battery's getting a little bit low. There are tracks in here, so there's somebody in here after the rain. Service truck. Gate shouldn't be open as far as I know, so somebody's in there. I see tracks.